Are you planning to buy a new laptop or PC? Wait just a little longer. NVIDIA's latest GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs, including the incredibly powerful RTX 5090, are about to hit the market. Trust me, this could be a game changer for your purchase. Let's explore why holding off could save you money and get you the best deal. Let's start. NVIDIA unveiled its RTX 50 series GPUs, pushing the boundaries of gaming and productivity at CES 2025. RTX 5090 and RTX 5080 expected in late January 2025. 5070 set to launch in February 2025. Pricing is announced as RTX 5070 at $549, RTX 5070 Ti at $749, RTX 5080 at $999, RTX 5090 at $999. Why you should wait before buying a laptop or PC? Historically, the launch of new GPUs results in price cuts for previous generation laptops and PCs. Also, waiting just 4 to 6 months could mean significant discounts on systems with GPUs, like the RTX 4090 or RTX 4080. And also manufacturers may release refreshed models with improved hardware configurations to compete with the latest releases, whereas laptops and PCs featuring the RTX 4090 or RTX 4080 may become more affordable, offering excellent value for performance. RTX 4090 versus RTX 5070. A quick comparison. Performance. The RTX 5070 is expected to rival the performance of the RTX 4090, delivering high-end gaming and productivity capabilities, where the RTX 5070 starts at $549, significantly cheaper than systems with the RTX 4090, which are often priced above $2,000. This makes the RTX 5070 a fantastic choice for gamers and creators looking for top-notch performance without breaking the bank. How this impacts laptop and PC buyers for gamers. Systems with the RTX 5070 will be powerful enough to handle modern games at high settings without costing a fortune. For professionals, laptops and PCs with these GPUs will offer faster rendering, enhanced AI features, and improved multitasking capabilities, perfect for creators and developers. For general users, even mid-range systems will benefit from RTX 50 series features like improved energy efficiency and better thermal performance. Why? Wait 4 to 6 months. Save money. Laptop and PC prices for RTX 40 series GPUs will drop as retailers clear stock. Access cutting-edge tech. The RTX 50 series GPUs will bring enhanced features and future-proof performance. Better choices. By waiting, you'll have more options, whether it's a budget-friendly RTX 4090 system or a cutting-edge RTX 50 series setup. If you're thinking about upgrading your laptop or PC, waiting a few months could be the smartest decision. You'll not only save money, but also get the latest technology or take advantage of discounts on existing models. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech updates. See you in the next video.